Are you trying to find a particular effect or filter on your country or region and it is showing you not available? Hello, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix effect isn't available in your country on TikTok. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. If you are new to this channel, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. In order to fix effect not available in your country, this is what you have to do. Log into your TikTok account. Click on the profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the three lines found at the top right corner in order to navigate to settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll gently and click on report a problem. Expand the section of creation. Scroll. You're going to see option for beauty, filter, effect and template. Just click on it. You're going to see option called using filter and effects. Click on it. You just have to go through these steps of using it. You see, if you encounter issue when using filter or effect, please try walking through the steps. Make sure you have logged into your account. Upgrade to the latest version of TikTok via Apple App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. Switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data. Clear the app cache and restart the app. So after trying this, if it did not work for you, this is what you have to do. You just have to click no and you're going to see option need more help. Just click on it. Looking at this TikTok support, you just have to type in I cannot use effects on my device. I cannot use some effects on my device. So you just have to type this and send to TikTok support. I can't use some effects on my device. TikTok will give you reply within 24 hours. Remember, the other steps says that we should upgrade to the latest version. Make sure you have logged into your account. Upgrade to the latest version of TikTok. If you want to upgrade to latest version of TikTok, this is what you have to do. Remember, it says go to your App Store or Play Store. So depending on your device, you just go to any of them. If you're using Android, you go to your Play Store. If you're using iPhone, you can go to your App Store. Then switch Wi-Fi. This is where you get Wi-Fi and mobile data, any of them. And also you can clear the cache and restart the app by going to your, so you can free up the space by clicking on this free up space. In order to clear any trash, just click on the clear. You see cache, you see the clear option, or you can go through your settings on the phone. So let me go to my app management, app list for TikTok. So I just have to click on storage and cache, and also I can clear my cache if I still have that same problem. So guys, these are the few steps you have to take in order to fix this effect isn't available in your country. So remember, the first is to log into your account. The second is to update your TikTok version to the latest version. Third is to clear the cache, and the next is, if it's not working for you, you can report to TikTok support. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to fix effect isn't available in your country on TikTok. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.